Right, hi guys. Okay, I'm really sorry how long it's been in me doing a video. I need to just explain a few things. Basically, I had a huge problem with all the footage from fixing my boiler, where I couldn't, after I loaded it onto the laptop to edit, it wouldn't allow me to edit, and my laptop started freezing and playing up really badly. So what I did was a video that was already done, which was that injector thing. I I got it uploaded to YouTube and then deleted all the footage off the laptop, deleted loads of stuff off it, and basically I couldn't get the thing to go. I couldn't get it to work. So after a lot of messing about, I have a laptop working and I can edit now. So this is just a quick sort of sneak peek of the footage from when I fixed my boiler, and it's a little top tip. So it's just a short cut out of it. I am getting on with editing it, and hopefully I'll have something done very, very soon. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for your patience. Cheers. Okay, I may have lost some footage because my GoPro went on to looping again. I don't know. I don't know how I'm managing to do that all the time. So I think I might have lost some footage. But basically, I took this manifold out, removed the canoe filter. I broke it out because I couldn't get it out. Cleaned it all up, greased it. It's ready to go back in. Now, something that's really hard on these is these big washers, especially when you're doing the plates and the diverters. So there's a simple way to do it. Dry inside the boiler, the slots, really well. Get them bone dry, using paper towel ideally, not a cloth. And then use some thick silicone grease. Give them a good coating of silicone grease. And then they will stick in the holes back here. So if you look at them washers, they are literally stuck in place with grease. Providing you get everything dry, they will stick in there and they'll stay in there no bother at all, you know.